Good afternoon, everyone. We'll wait some more time, around 5 minutes, to make sure that all the participants have been joined. We'll start on 5 minutes after 4 p.m.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
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 Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
A very warm welcome to all of you at IHIRM. Okay. So my name is Meenal and I'm from IHIRM. Before we dive into the today's exciting session, I would like to take a moment to introduce the organization that has made this webinar possible. IHIRM, Institute of Healthcare Insurance and Risk Management. It's the leading professional healthcare and insurance company. IHRM brings together professional organizations and experts from across the healthcare and insurance industries to foster knowledge exchange, innovation, and personal growth. Am I audible?
Yes, Meenal, you are audible.
Yeah. Right, sir.
Just a minute, Meenal. Hello.
Yes.
Just a minute. Khatana sir, voice clear hai?
Yes, Neha, it is much audible. Hope
Okay,
I'm
okay.
also
Thank you, sir.
audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Continue, Meenal. Continue.
Okay. So at IHIRM, our core mission is to empower individuals and organization by providing insights into emerging trends, skills, development, and career opportunities through initiatives like webinars, workshop, and training programs. Now, I would like to welcome Dr. Jitendra Khatana. Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Continue.
Yeah. So Dr. Jitendra Khatana, who is a Assistant Vice President at Future Generali India Insurance, a renowned name in insurance industry with 14 years of experience in this field. Dr. Khatana has played a vital role in driving innovation and operational excellence with the claims processing department. With the further ado, I would like to hand over session to Dr. Jitendra Khatana. So, about career opportunities in health insurance claim processing.
Thank you, Minal.
Sir, you can
Oh.
continue, sir.
Yeah, hope I'm audible to everyone. Let's please raise
Yes,
your
yes.
hands if I'm audible. And before going forward and introduction, can if possible, can you all switch on your camera so that it could be a interactive session? It should not be a one way. You all are here to listen and to take something from my. It would be good if we can see each other. And I would request the people who are looking to build a career in health insurance, please see the legends, those are sitting in front of you. So let me introduce myself again. Myself, Dr. Jitendra Khatana. I am working in Future Generali India Insurance as an Assistant Vice President. I am heading the Cashless and the networks. Before going this, I started my career in 2010, around 14 years back, in one of the TPA. The Raksha TPA was the leading TPA at that time. Then I worked in HDFC Ergo, then GIPSA TPA. Last, I worked in ManipalCigna. Now I'm in Future Generali. So this is about me as a small, brief introduction about myself. About IHIRM, the institute has taken a lot of effort to bring down the core of the insurance under one roof, to train them, to educate them, and to build the talent for the future. And I want to say thanks to Dr. Ramesh Khade, to Neha Madam, for giving me opportunity to share my thoughts on health insurance. So just to start with, why health insurance is booming, and why this particular core area of claim processing is the, we can say, the core of insurance is claim processing. Anything, if there's insurance, the second part of insurance is claim. So after COVID, insurance is booming in India from last 4 years. Now health insurance is booming by multiple pace because of few factors. Like, one is the awareness about the health insurance has been spread out pan India basis. Second, the government is also working very hard that each and every individual should be covered, and there is a vision from the government that 2047 each and every insured should be covered, each and every member should be covered. And third is the regulators. Regulators are also pushing very hard. So there are a lot of, one is awareness, second is government initiatives, third is the regulatory initiatives. So all these factors are one which is driving this health insurance. Fourth is the people like IHIRM, other institutes, the veterans, the social media that is giving the correct platform for the new talent to come up and get the jobs. Now my core discussion would be on the health claim processing. We are around 50 odd members in this call, and some are old, some are new, some are fresh talents, some are the industry experts. And this call would be how a medico, non-medico, paramedico can take training from the institutes, can enhance his skills, and can get the jobs. So before going how to make career, where to make career. So there are 4 to 5 open areas where new freshers, medicos, non-medicos, paramedicos can go. The one is obviously the health insurance companies. Second is third-party administrators, like we can say TPA. Third is brokers. Fourth are startups. There are a lot of startups are coming. Even the institute that is giving this training is also a hub of job. You will not only get the training, you will not only prepare yourself for the future, but you will also get a job in such institutes when you will be mature enough to handle the new talents. So with opening statement, I would say that if you are choosing health insurance as your career, then you are at the right time, at the right place, in the right organization. Because the pace which health insurance is booming, standalone health insurance companies are moving with a pace of 30% year on year. General insurance is moving around 20% year on year. There is no other industry in the India that is moving with this pace. So you have chosen the right field for the future. Now, in the field, there are multiple core areas where you can work. And the most critical and most, that we can say the core area that generates multiple jobs. If there are 100 jobs in the insurance company, the 50% would be generated from the claims processing. So claim processing is, let me clear first, claim processing is not limited to the doctors only. The non-medicals, the para-medical fields, और मैं इसमें एक बात और बता दूं for the people कि medico means the people who are not only MBBS, the people who has done doctorate in any type of medicine, whether it's MBBS, whether it's dental surgeons, Ayurvedic, Unani, homeopathic, physiotherapist, pharmacist. These are the people who are the hot picks for these jobs. Second, the people who are graduates and they want to make careers in health insurance. So one is the medicos, second is the non-medicos, and both have the equal opportunities in this area. Claim processing is done by the doctor, but other supplementary works is done by the non-medicals in claim processing only. When we will move to other core areas like analytics, investigation, and or reimbursement, technical, non-technical, then the number of non-medicals would be greater than the medicals. Correct. So first of all, we will start with the claim processing. What is claim, how it is get processed, what is the job opportunities that can be created. First of all, if you are a medico or non-medico, if you are graduate, first, if you are a graduate, if you are interested in giving something to society in terms of processing claims or in the field of health insurance, आप health insurance company में there are a lot of opportunities nowadays. People are running behind the talent. So once you are graduated from one of the college or from your college, you need someone who can give you the correct path, who can guide you, who can. So everyone wants talents, but skilled talent that they need they should know something. If someone is coming for the health insurance for the claim processing, they would expect that he knows how to process the claim. So this institute is doing that part for you. They are preparing you for the job, for the right job. They are nurturing you the skills that is required for that particular job. So please go through the courses that is being offered by institute. There are in claim processing, there are in compliance, there are in fraud and abuse, there are in analytics. The multiple programs they are running, they all are handful to be, and all these programs would help you to get jobs in the industry. Now, how we will get job in health insurance? One, freshers. There are a lot of insurance companies that are going to the colleges directly. There are insurance companies that are going to the institutes like IHIRM for the talents. There are insurance companies that are going to the management schools. Second, how people are getting jobs in the third party, the same process. Third is how they are getting jobs in the brokers. So their third part, there's another job opportunity that I think more the people doesn't know. There are brokers that put the business from market to the insurance company, from market with the TPAs. So there are brokers that they also need that talent. And specifically about the brokers, they need the skilled labor. They need the people who knows the claim processing. They will not take the fresh minds. They will take the minds that has end-to-end process knowledge. So health insurance is a big portfolio. Health insurance having multiple, we can say, the departments. One is the claim processing. Second is corporate relationship management team. Third is investigation team. Fourth is, we can say, analytics. And the core is cashless and reimbursement. So in cashless reimbursement, you will get the maximum jobs for the doctors. In analytics, you will get the maximum job for the non-medicals who are good in Excels and everything. If someone has a brain to investigate, to make impact on how to prevent fraud, they can choose the investigation on abuse, investigation and abuse department. If I'll go further in deep, then there are the other departments like underwriting, where the both medicals, non-medicals are required. In brokers also, if some insurance company has placed business with TPA, they need some talent that can run that show for them. They need some analytic members. They need doctors that can be a coordinator between the insurance company and the broker. Third is the hospital side. Whatever we are doing, there is a stakeholder that is called hospital. Every patient would be admitted in hospital, and hospital also need the experts. And the experts, they will take of those experts that are good in claim processing, that has a knowledge of insurance, that has a knowledge of process. They will not hire the fresh doctor for the TPA managing in the hospitals. They need someone who knows the claim processing. In continuation of this, I would give the information to this group. Regulator is coming with a lot of new initiatives where there's a common empanelment that is going around the industry, that all hospitals would be on network. There would be no hospitals that would offer the reimbursement. All would be 100% cashless. So there's a initiative that is going 100% cashless, or cashless everywhere. So now there are around 30,000-40,000 that are network with some of the insurance companies, some with the TPAs. In future, all these hospitals would be on panel with everyone. And there are other hospitals that are working as on reimbursement basis. In those hospitals, where I want to take you is, in those hospitals, they would require the medicals and non-medicals that know the claim processing, because that hospital is not aware what is cashless. To run their cashless through TPA, they need the expert. So one more would come in light, where the jobs will be created in the hospitals. There are around 1 lakh hospitals in India. In future, not in 6 months or 1 year, but in future, all hospitals would be on cashless network. So we have got the insurance company, we have got the brokers. There is huge manpower that is required in the third-party administrators, in the TPAs. There are big TPAs in India. So to make yourself ready to get jobs in those TPAs, please take these trainings. They take this workshop, take these webinars so that you know about claim processing and health insurance. I want to say for the doctors that being a graduate in medicine, being a graduate in doctorate is not enough. It is just an eligibility to work as a doctor in insurance company. But how to work? You need to go through these trainings. Second, this industry is booming. There are multiple jobs that are floating and flowing on the LinkedIn. Every insurance company, every TPA is struggling to get the good talent and skilled labor. So claim processing is an area where we can discuss, and conversation can go for hours, because I do not want to go in deep how claim processing done. We want to be there where the jobs can be created, where you can place yourself as a professional. Insurance companies, TPAs, brokers, hospitals, the startups, and the institutes. These are the 5-6 areas where you can get jobs. Now, business is growing for everyone. Along with these private sectors, even government also needs skilled labor. There are multiple big organizations where the jobs are being created, like GIC. Lot of fresh candidates have joined the GIC, General Insurance Council. In IRD also, lot of jobs created every year. In insurance companies, after doing your graduation in medical or non-medical, there are some tests for the PSUs. There are 4 PSU insurance companies: Oriental, New India, United, and National. They also takes the skilled labor from the industry. So there is no, we can say, lack of jobs in this industry. There is a lack of skilled labor for this industry. And coming 5 years, there are some big changes that are coming. I want to focus on also. Now, in India, there are around 30 general and standalone insurance companies. There are 30 odd life insurance companies, and there are around 20 to 25 TPAs. So there are some bills that are being in pipeline with the Parliamentary Board of India, where there is a license called composite license that would allow the life insurance company to sell the health insurance, and that would allow the health insurance company to sell the life insurance. So you can imagine how big this field would be in future. It would be doubled, because everyone wants to sell everything. And the web aggregators like Policy Bazaar, they are big players now. They are big players. They also need skilled labor. Once the business will grow, more insurance companies will penetrate to the rural area of India. And we are also hearing news that LIC is also coming in health. So this business will grow. And I am confident that if the people will take this job, this profession seriously, if they can absorb some good trainings, they can take some good certificates from the institutes. Even let me correct myself. I'm a dental surgeon by profession. Okay. After that, I did MBA in hospital administration, because that was the need of hour. Then I did general management program from IIM Jammu. That was the need of hour. Then I did licentiate associate from Insurance Institute of India. That was need of hour. I am doing law. That is need of hour. I have done multiple other certificates just to skilled me up. Because you cannot survive with one degree. You cannot survive. You have to skill yourself. Now, we can say it's a friend or enemy, but AI is coming. To run AI is just a model. AI is just the smart computers. AI is just the smart tools. But to run those tools, to create those tools, and to bring some outcomes from those tools, we need brains. We need human brains. They are just helping hands. They are also creating the jobs, but they are competing with the human brains. And they will compete with those people that have not grown, that have not scaled up. So these trainings, these certifications, these add-ups will enhance enhance you against these AIs. AI are just your helping hands. Okay, they will give the brief, we can say, outcomes, or we can say the trends. I would say the preferred word is trend. They will give the trends. Now, a lot of AIs are coming in the field of investigation. Lot of coming in health insurance, in claim processing also. But to understand them, you have to be a end-to-end person who knows the claim processing, how a hospital is sending the prior documents, what a non-medico is doing when this reach the insurance company, what the role of a medical doctor, what the role of a non-medical after doing the medical scrutiny. So to have knowledge of medicine, to be a graduate will not work for you. Please come, join some institutes, take certifications, join some webinars, take seminars. Knowledge low. If I am going to take interviews, there are 10 members that are fresher. I will ask something, they will give their medical knowledge to me because they are coming fresher from the college. If there is someone who knows something more than medical knowledge about insurance, that insurance aisa hota hai, then claim processing, analytics, abuse, investigation, and there are policy TNCs, usme PD hota hai, there 2-year waiting period hota hai, there compliance. So I would love to take that candidate because I would need less training. No one wants to spare 3 months to give training to fresher. Everyone wants that if someone is joining, please start working from day one. So this is how industry is growing. We covered what is required to be in insurance. We covered what are the areas where you can get job. We covered how AI can change the world, but how AI will be controlled. Human brains would be required to control AI. Who can get the jobs? How can get the jobs? Where we can get the jobs? And एक चीज और बता दूं just to update everyone. Money is not an issue. Packages are not an issue. Salary is not an issue in health insurance right now. The people who thinks that only the big IIMs and big management schools are giving the good packages, no. Health insurance is offering good packages. Good packages. I will not say kitna, वो नेहा मैडम बता देंगे, but they are offering good packages. So, और मैं फिगर बता सकता हूँ, starting from 6 figure to 7 figure to 8 figure. 8 is 1 crore. मैं इतना बता दूंगा. Everything is there. The industry needs the expert, the skilled labor, the brain. So you are at very initial level if you are just a fresher. there are some people in this group, I have gone through the members that are my colleagues also, that are my friends also, and they understand in which critical stage industry is going. Industry is going in a very, I think the best time for industry is this. New insurance companies are coming. Government is very active. Regulators are very active. People of India has grown up and are very aware about the insurance. Everyone is taking insurance now. Government is pushing insurance. So this is the most talkable field in the insurance is health. Now motor is old school. There are in India, there is no home insurance, there is no other insurance that is not been taken so frequently. Fire is taken just a compliance issue, but health insurance is taken for the family, and family की average income बढ़ रही है. People are taking good insurance. So just to end up and to conclude it, I would say that you are at the right time, at the right place, in the safe hands. Just groom yourself, take certificates, open yourself to the market, attach yourself with the industry expert, reach out to the people who are working in this industry, and take experience and give back to the industry. And ultimately, whoever is working in health insurance is contributing to the society. Ultimately, we are the one who is contributing to society directly or indirectly after the people who are working in the hospitals. So this is from my side, Neha madam. If you want to ask anything, if anyone want to ask anything, I'm open to take those questions and give my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Khatana, for sharing your valuable insights on how you can build a successful career in this industry, including the skills needed, potential growth, and steps to get started. Okay, anybody is having any questions? They can ask.
Audience, am I audible?
Anybody having any questions?
Yes, actually, I have one.
Yeah.
To Dr. Jitendra sir. Actually, if I want to be a claim processor or a fraud investigator, let's say, so what are the strategies, like apart from what the courses IHRM offers, what things I should prepare on my own to be an effective investigator or to make a career in this effectively?
Okay, so I think it's Pandurang Jadhav, correct?
Yes, sir.
So to an investigator in health insurance, it is something that what is investigation and what to be investigated.
Yeah.
आप किसको इन्वेस्टिगेट करना चाह रहे हो, क्या इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है? आपको इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है कस्टमर को, and that customer is a patient.
Yes, sir. One
And
context
क्या
I was
इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है? Yes, I'm coming.
Non-medical.
Yes, yeah, that's why I'm coming there. तो क्या इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है? The treatment, the hospital infra, the geography, and the nexus. So the medicals who are working have sense of treatment part, but the 80% work जो करता है वो एक हमारा नॉन मेडिको करता है, वो एक एक्सेल से ट्रेंड निकालते हैं. सो व्हाट टू डू इज यू नीड टू बी गुड इन एक्सेल कि आपको एक ट्रेंड पता चल जाए. सेकंड, यू नीड टू बी अपडेटेड विद द ज्योग्राफीज कि कहाँ पे फ्रॉड होता है. थर्ड, यू नीड टू बी अपडेटेड अबाउट द हॉस्पिटल्स कि कौन से हॉस्पिटल करते हैं. फोर्थ, यू नीड टू बी अपडेटेड कि किस चीज में फ्रॉड होता है ज्यादा, इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज में होता है, सर्जिकल में होता है. पांचवा, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि किस लेवल का फ्रॉड हो सकता है, सॉफ्ट फ्रॉड हो सकता है, हार्ड फ्रॉड हो सकता है. उसके बाद आपको इंडस्ट्री का एक इंडस्ट्री अलर्ट पता होना चाहिए, उस हॉस्पिटल का आपको फीडबैक पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. एंड मोर और लेस जो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी चीज है, इफ यू कैन लर्न सम बेसिक मेडिकल नॉलेज कि ये डिजीज होती है, इसमें इतने दिन ही रुकना पड़ता है, इसमें 4 दिन की जरूरत नहीं होती, इसमें ये वाली टेस्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती। अगर ये आपको 4, 5, 8 चीजें पता होंगी, ट्रेंड निकालना, देखो सबसे टफेस्ट वर्क फॉर एनी वन इज टू ब्रिंग द ट्रेंड्स। अगर आपको ट्रेंड निकालना आ गया, देन यू वुड बी द ग्रेट इन्वेस्टिगेटर। उस ट्रेंड को निकालने के बाद आपको सिर्फ उसको एविडेंशियली प्रूव करना होता है, और एविडेंस प्रूफ यू विल गेट फ्रॉम द हॉस्पिटल, फ्रॉम द कस्टमर, फ्रॉम द फील्ड। उसके लिए आपको एक्सपर्ट लगेगा, आपका थोड़ा सा मेडिकल नॉलेज अगर आपके पास है, नहीं है तो आप अपने मेडिकल डॉक्टर से आजकल रूटीन में बातें करते रहते हैं। यू विल गेट द एविडेंस फ्रॉम द आईपीडी पेपर्स, फ्रॉम द कस्टमर, फ्रॉम द इवन फ्रॉम द पॉलिसी इफ देयर इज नॉन डिस्क्लोजर। तो सबसे पहले मैं ये गाइड करूंगा कि अगर आप नॉन मेडिको है और आप इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जाना चाहते हैं, तो सबसे पहले यू शुड बी गुड इन एक्सेल्स, ठीक है। यू शुड बी गुड इन ट्रेंड एनालिटिक्स, वी कैन से एनालिटिक्स, इट्स अ कॉमन वर्ड इज एनालिटिक्स। यू शुड बी गुड इन एनालिटिक्स। आपको डॉट्स को पैच करना आना चाहिए कि ये सिंगल इंश्योर्ड है, ये 22 साल का है, ये फीवर के लिए 1.5 लाख रुपए का 20 बेडेड हॉस्पिटल से दिल्ली एनसीआर के एक रिमोट एरिया से केस आ रहा है, तो ये फ्रॉड है। फ्रॉड हो सकता है, इट्स नॉट ए फ्रॉड, फ्रॉड हो सकता है। सो दिस इज एविडेंस, दिस इज नॉट एविडेंस, दिस इज ट्रिगर, दिस इज ट्रेंड। नाउ टू गेट द एविडेंस यू नीड टू गो ऑन फील्ड। आईपीडी पेपर पकड़ो, कस्टमर से मिलो, हॉस्पिटल का ट्रेंड देखो, पुराने पेपर मैच करो, उसके पुराने हॉस्पिटल्स के आईपीडी उठाओ, देखो, अपने डॉक्टर्स दिखाओ, देन यू विल विन, ठीक है। उसके बाद कुछ एआई टूल्स भी आजकल आ रहे हैं जो आपको आपके सिस्टम में रन कर सकते हो, आप अपने डाटा पर रन कर सकते हो, दे विल शो द ट्रेंड टू यू। So these are the things that is required to be a good investigator. Analytics and the industry knowledge with some level medical knowledge if you can get it, or some trainings from the good institutes. क्योंकि ऐसा होता है कई बार कि मेडिकल नॉलेज चाहिए होती है एविडेंस के लिए, ट्रेंड्स के लिए हमेशा एनालिटिकल नॉलेज चाहिए होती है।
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Anybody having more questions? Am I audible?
Yes.
किसको और कुछ पूछना है सर से? Okay, all right. I would like our director, Dr. Khare sir, would join the session and share his thoughts over this webinar. Sir.
Thank you,
Hello.
sir. I think sir has covered maximum things. Apart from the opportunities, he also actually explained the operations part of claims also. Also, he talked about the investigations and other opportunities. It was interacting session, and we hope to have more such sessions. We'll also provide the contact details of Khatana sir, so that if somebody wants to ask him something offline, they can connect to him. And we'll be happy to see more people again for the next webinars. So thank you, Neha. Thank you, sir, and thank you all audience on behalf of
So
IHIRM.
Dr. Ramesh,
Yes, sir.
please be with us for a
Yes,
minute.
sir.
I want to you know everything, so that I want to say thanks a lot what you have done for us. And Dr. Ramesh is a well-known personality in this healthcare system. He is doing wonders for the industry. He is guiding a lot of people. And if you want to learn, Jadhav, if you want to learn how to track the claim and how to do the investigation, then Dr. Ramesh is the, we can say, the Bhisma Pita of that part. You can please reach out to him. If something left out, I can help
Correct.
out.
I think all of us are students and learning is never ending process. So every day is a new
Correct.
learning, and every case is challenging. So it's always very good to learn from each other and progress in life, because we have selected to come in insurance, that was by choice. Nobody had compelled us. And if we have come by choice, we should always try to excel in whatever we do. So with help of each other, we'll keep growing. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ramesh.
आई थिंक किसी की क्वेरी आई है. प्लीज आस्क क्वेश्चन सर. ब्रेन बर्ड आई थिंक.
क्वेरी नहीं है नेहा जी. खटाना साहब को बहुत बहुत थैंक्स. खटाना साहब आपने समय निकाला. जिस तरह हमारे माननीय रमेश जी हैं, हम सारे उसी के सब सीखते हैं उनसे. आपने
Exactly,
समय
sir,
की
exactly.
की हमारी.
नहीं
ऐसे आप
मैं तो
आगे भी
चाहता हूँ
देते
कि
रहें,
हमें
यही
ऐसे
चाहेंगे आप आगे भी
वेबिनार्स
देते रहें.
करते रहना चाहिए, so that we can learn something from each other.
बिल्कुल खटाना साहब, मैं सारे लोगों से कहूंगा कि सब लोगों को खटाना साहब से सीखना चाहिए. उन्होंने बड़ी अच्छी बातें बताई. जो लोग अभी नए हैं उनको भी सीखना चाहिए, जो पुराने हैं उनको तो ज्यादा सीखना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनको ज्यादा पॉलिश्ड होना है. खटाना
That
साहब
is
अच्छा
need
लगा.
of our. That is need of our. If you will not
Yes, yes.
scale up yourself, आप पिछड़ जाओगे. Lot of competition is coming from the big grade schools.
यस. थैंक यू नेहा जी. पूरे आपकी टीम को पूरा धन्यवाद. आप सब लोग बहुत अच्छा
Thank you.
कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं. आगे भी करते रहिए प्लीज.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. ओके,
Thank you,
एनी
sir. Thanks again,
क्वेश्चंस?
sir.
Any questions? Okay. So I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to you for taking the time to share your valuable insights on
There is one
career
hand
opportunities.
is raised by Dr. Aksharaj.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
Dr.
Dr. Aksharaj.
Aksharaz.
You are on mute, Dr. Aksharaj. Can you unmute yourself? I think there's some technical issue with him. Dr. Ghosh, you can unmute yourself. Okay, you can drop your query in chat box. Dr. Ramesh or Neha madam will take it up and will update.
Okay. Can I continue, sir?
Yes, Neha.
Okay. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to you for taking the time to share your valuable insights on career opportunities in health insurance claim processing during today's webinar. Your expertise and guidance were truly appreciated by all participants. Thank you, Dr. Katana, sir. Thank you so much. And a special thank you, thank you so much for Dr. Ramesh Khade sir, our esteemed director, for his continued support and contributions. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our audience for their active participation, which made this session a great success. Once again, thank you so much for your valuable time and contributions. Thank you.
So Neha, just one request. Take the names of
Yes.
all participants, and I would like to see all these people in the health insurance. They should not be out of this field, because this is, I don't know 80% members that has joined, but I want to say, guys, please join health insurance. This is my personal feeling.
Neha, you can conclude. I think there is some technical issue. Neha or Minal, you can conclude. Unmute Neha, unmute yourself.
I guess there
Oh,
there is
sorry,
some technical issue.
Yes, Neha.
सर कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से आप अनम्यूट गए.
There was some Wi-Fi issue here.
Conclude
Yeah,
करो.
yeah, no issue. Please.
So I was saying, please join the health insurance. This is the booming field. If you can compare this field with other any type of field, the health insurance is booming. This is personal advice. Please join. Please take advantages of the institutes like IHIRM. They are doing wonderful job. They are covering all the training sessions. They are covering everything: claim processing, analytics, compliance, fraud and abuse, hospital administration. So please take this 6-month training and prepare yourself for the big roles. So welcome and thank you and take care of yourself.
Okay. ऑडियंस, अगर आप में से कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हेल्थ केयर इंश्योरेंस एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के कोर्सेज के बारे में जानना चाहता है, तो आपके पास ऑलरेडी इंस्टीट्यूट के डिटेल्स इंफॉर्मेशन गई है. कोर्सेज के ड्यूरेशंस क्या है, वीकेंड बैचेस है या डेली वाइज बैचेस है, तो आप कोऑर्डिनेट कर सकते हैं. आपके पास लिंक भी है, वेबसाइट के लिंक दी गई है, तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं. एंड वंस अगेन, thank you so much for your valuable time and contribution. Thank you, Dr. Khatana, sir. Thank you so much.
Best wishes, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you one and all.
Thank you.